the storyboard. There we go. This section is really the controller of the whole operation. This is where you need to have your images and videos collected together in order to make this work. Here's what I mean by having all your images and videos collected in one place. Go to Projects. Let's have a look at Zoo Station. There's a lot of your media, all collected there ready. Projects, the Dragons of Sarasara, and we have all the media collected in one place. So the Dragons of Sarasara project, also the Zoo Station project, and you can see I have a collection of images and videos ready for use in the project media folders of each one. There's your project media folder there. So let's go back to projects. We'll open up Harry McGovern, which is the one we're working on. And what? This is different. So what have we got here? Let's have a look at Harry McGovern. There's project material. You can drag material, drag and drop, and put it into the My Media area. That's there. You make sure that's got selected because you've got audio, titles, backgrounds and transactions. You may not use it all and you may need more, but try to keep your images and videos that you want to use for any project in one place, in a folder on your drive. Let me find the folder. There we go. In a folder on your drive, you see I've got a spare drive there, or simply in My Media, and you can keep them there. These are my photos and images and video folders, which I keep on an external disk drive for easy reference and storage. I also have a lot of the material imported into Apple's Photo app. You can see this from the Project Media bar. Let me close that so you can see it. There's Photos. See under Libraries. There you go, Libraries and Photos. You can display your images and photos by almost any album you have moved them into, like this on the little selectable navigator to the left. And although you'll only see one, there's all your images. Looking at my photos, you can see where I have them for quick reference. If yours aren't displaying, it's because Photos and iMovie need to be in sync. You may correct any imbalances by selecting the library tabs in iMovie, highlight Photos, and select My Albums. Not just Albums, which is the next level down, but My Albums. I really do suggest that you take some time to get used to Photos and iMovie and how they work together. So we're in My Albums, the iMovie material, all my albums. Do you want to get back to the other one? Just click the tab in the tab bar, and there it takes you back. In the end, it will save you hours, and also has the advantage of keeping all your photos and videos in a convenient place. So now we have all our photos in one place, we can use them in our movie trailer. Please note, if you are in Photos directly, that is, you have Photos open, and you have a video you want to use and put into your project media section directly, then you have to export it from Photos, then either import or drag and drop as a video into iMovie. If you just drag it from Photos to iMovie, it will come across as simply an image, not a video. But here's the convenient part. If your videos are in Photos, which we're just talking about, You can highlight photos in your libraries in the navigation pane, find the album, then the video, and use it directly. You don't have to import it into your project media area. Let me show you. Let's say I want to use that one. And it's going into there. I'll tell you all about this in a moment. I've just selected the first one. It's a 3.1 second video. And you can see, if you look closely there, you'll see there's a rectangular area being given there, which is the video length. But oddly enough, you will notice that that is not a video. So what we need is to go across there, and there it is there. Now that little rectangle is a lot smaller because the video is 2.9 minutes long. The clip we want is only 3.17 seconds. So that's a very small bar in there. So take out the bit of video you want. Let's just do that. There's a bird flying up there, you can see. You click on that, and there it goes down into that section and moves automatically to the next one. Let's go back and have a look at this in the preview bar. There's the bird flying up there that I just put in for you. 3.1 seconds in length. Now, having looked at that, that's just a quick look. Let's go back to all my albums. Backspace, clean that out of there. Go back to Harry McGovern. You can see, look what's happened there. You can see down here we've got a 3.1 second clip. By default, when I came back, the cursor was on that video clip, and it's gone to a very clear highlight of the section of that clip that will be put into that first image. Just like that. Automatically goes to the next one. So the first 3.1 seconds you get a start movie and 10, 9, oh, and there you go, 3.17. Okay, what we'll do is continue on and fill in the rest of the storyboard. And this, I hope, will take some time. So make sure you have all of your images where you want them. Oh, one last thing. I was just telling you that if you drag a video from your Photos program, Photos app, directly into iMovies, it will come across as an image. See the little camera? That's an image. But it should come across as a video. Now this video is in Photos. I had to export it from Photos onto the hard drive and then import it into iMovie. Whereas if I had have been in Photos and found the video, you can see the little video camera next to it there. If I could have just put that straight into the next frame. Oh, well, a piece of it anyway. You can see the piece it will take out there. Bang, direct. Very nice. Clear it out. Clear it out because we need to start from scratch. Okay, let's move on, shall we?